Digitally archived files in very small sizes are quite hard to view for most people. Properly viewing such files require the aid of magnifying equipment rather than just relying on the naked eye. This can now be addressed with Microfiche scanner through Microfiche scanning process of images. This scanning process has been utilized by bureaus, agencies, institutions and similar large-scale consumers in order to retain the information from the digital images. The archived data can then be easily published and retrieved by the various employees in the organization who needed the pertinent information. Even data from handwritten notes of the scanned images can be taken out and searched as data for better sharing of information among the different employees. Those organizations who have experienced digitally archiving their data through the Microfiche machine can already attest to the more efficient, robust, and precise process of disseminating information across users. Employees already enjoy faster turnaround time of their assigned deliverables and better availability of their history reports and other pertinent data. Such organizations now have more rapid service time, better workflow of their tasks at hand, and transact more business to their various customers. Even more interesting about this digital archiving process is the magnified images during scanning prior to saving of outputs. A separate, easily comprehensible file for each image is produced from what appears to be a previously poor resolution, seemingly unreadable file. Unlike normal paper scanner, which results in 1-to-1 scanned output, the Microfiche machine can render 1-to-24 scanned images from the original file that are highly visible by the naked eye. Managers and decision makers who plan to buy this type of machine for their company or organization has to fully comprehend first their company's requirements. A company can shell out as much as thousands of dollars when purchasing a high-end device of this nature. Hence it is really imperative to scout first for the right manufacturer or vendor and make the necessary research before actually deciding to pay for the actual machine. There are Microfiche machine vendors who lack the in-house technical staff to maintain their products. Such vendors just rely on overseas contractors for their software development and maintenance. So it is best to buy this kind of machine only from vendors who have in-house development team that can innovate and upgrade the product as technology evolves. On the other hand, for those organizations who have limited capacity and cannot afford to buy this device, they can still opt to have their data digitally archived using the same process. Such organizations choose from the available scanning companies with available digital scanning system and work with them for the data archiving project. They can even request for a free test drive from the scanning company in order to level expectations from both ends for the product output and deliverables. An organization or company can choose to either buy a Microfiche machine or have their files digitally archived by a scanning company. The Microfiche scanner has the capability to save the files into PDF or JPEG depending on the organization's preference for easy retrieval and search of information. Whatever options the organization or company decides to take for their data archiving need, the call is now up to managers or decision makers to take. Enjoy saving the files.